here today. It is my privilege to be the general chairman of Yankee Homecoming this year. I have been involved in Yankee Homecoming for over 20 years, and it has been a very important part of my life. I would like to thank my parents, Turning Point, Jerry Dorr, WMVP, who is my first sponsor, and all of the great volunteers who have made this event possible. If you see a Yankee Homecoming volunteer this week, say thank you for a great job. If you'd like to support Yankee Homecoming, look for donation buckets throughout Old Fashioned Sunday and at the waterfront concerts. All donations go to support all of Yankee Homecoming events. In closing, I am turning to face you guys, my legends. I'd like to thank our legends, the past general chairman of Yankee Homecoming, who made up my theme this year. Thank you. I look forward to a wonderful week. Let's have a great time!
Clock makes the world go round. Rice Krispies, K-double-L.